father of four, and can you talk
Yep.
about how to balance your family life, how to keep your how to address your family's needs,
Mm.
uh, and does that, being a father of four, a husband, does that inform who you are and how you go about your job?
It definitely does. One of the traps, I guess, of this job, especially for someone myself who loves it so much, is you get drawn into it. There's always overtime shifts going, so you got to resist the urge to always do overtime. And the family needs come in where if dad's always away at work, they get used to life without you. Um, and that's something that occasionally breaks my heart because I want to be a dad first. So being there for the family is, for me, the foremost thing. Yes, there's tug of wars. There's the shift extension. Rule number one is you never plan anything after a shift because you won't make it. The three certainties of life for a paramedic are death, taxes, and shift extension with meal overtime. But when come days off, it's days off. Give them time. You've got to take them to sports. You've got to take them to the glasses appointment. You've got to have fun with them. Take them out for a daddy date. Macca's and whatnot. So it's a tug of war. It's always going to be there. And I think the secret behind doing all these, what I've just said, is being purposeful with and towards your family. So a few times last few years, we have actually sat down as a family and gone, hey, Mum and I are thinking that we're going up for a road trip. Oh, yeah, where are we going? So we plan it together. They get excited for it. We have all these dreams and stuff together. Because then, when Dad does another overtime shift, I go, oh, guess what? I just earned the accommodation for whatever place. And they slot it into, he's doing that for me, for us.
Do your kids and family have a sense of pride about what you do?
I think so. They love, come. Sometimes I get occasionally visit home with a truck, and they go, "Oh, look at this," and they love talking about what Dad does at work, and because there is a glamour to the job in the eyes of the public, and it's something that Dad does. It's cool.